Hi. In today's video, we'll show you what collections are, how to create them, and how to share them with other users. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are collections? Collections are a convenient tool for saving your devices, groups, recipes, and Photon Pilots to the cloud. They make it easy to share these resources with others. Next, let's create a new collection. To start working with collections, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the expanded list, select Collections. You'll now see a list of all your collections, as well as those that have been shared with you. To create a new collection, click the plus icon in the top right corner. Now, enter a name for your collection. And click Add to confirm. Now that your collection has been created, return to the main screen using the back arrow in the top left corner. Now it's time to add a device to your collection. To do this, find the tile of the device you'd like to assign to the collection, then tap and hold it. When the tile turns purple, tap the gear icon. From the list that appears, choose Manage Collections. Now you can assign the device to a collection by clicking the plus icon next to the collection name. Once added, the collection will be listed under Current Collections, and the confirmation message will appear at the bottom of the screen. To go back to the device list, click the arrow in the top right corner. Then select Back. The name of the assigned collection will now be displayed below the device icon, on its tile. You can also add an entire group of devices to a collection. Here's how to do it. Start by selecting the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the list, choose Groups. You'll now see all the groups you've created as well as those shared with you. Select the desired group by clicking on its tile. When the Group Settings window appears, choose Manage Collections from the list. Now you can assign the group to a collection by clicking the plus icon next to the collection name. Once added, the collection will appear under Current Collections, and the confirmation message will be shown at the bottom of the screen. To return to the group list, tap the back arrow in the top left corner, and confirm that you want to continue by clicking Continue. After returning to Group Settings, click Cancel to exit. The collection icon will now appear just below the group tile. To return to the device list, tap the back arrow in the top left corner of the screen. Now let's take a look at how to add a Photon Pilot to a collection. Start by opening the main menu by tapping the icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the list, select Photon Pilot. Next, press and hold the tile of the Photon Pilot you want to assign. When the tile is highlighted in purple, a few additional icons will appear in the bottom right corner. Tap the sharing icon, and then click the plus button next to the name of the collection you'd like to use. Just like before, the collection will now show up under Current Collections, and you'll see a confirmation message at the bottom of the screen. To return to the device list, tap the back arrow in the top left corner twice. Once your device is added to a collection, you can also assign a lighting recipe to it. Here's how to do that step by step. To start, select the device you're interested in by clicking on its tile. After opening the selected device, choose Timer Mode. If you haven't uploaded your lighting recipe yet, check out our other video, How to Upload a Lighting Recipe to the Fixture. Once the recipe is uploaded, tap the sharing icon at the top of the screen. You'll now see a short form that needs to be filled out. Start by giving your recipe a name. Then add a description. This must be at least 50 characters long. Make sure to include the duration of the recipe in weeks and the fixture used. Below that, tap Add Species and begin typing the name. Suggested options will appear automatically. Next, add tags in the same way. Begin typing, and you'll see suggestions to choose from. In the next step, you can upload an image for your recipe. To do that, tap Take Photo to capture a picture of your crop, or choose Add Image to pick one from your gallery. Now scroll down to the Sharing to section. Here, choose where you want to share your recipe. You have 3 options: Community, Collections, or Private. In this case, select Collections. Next, choose the collection you want to add the recipe to, and then tap Save Changes. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Share Recipe to complete the process. A confirmation message will appear at the bottom of the screen, confirming that your lighting recipe has been successfully shared. Well done! Your collection now includes a new, ready-to-use recipe.